here at Yamaha in Aurora. I'm just going to pick up our scooter. We're going to be using this to drive around. We're prepping the bike. We're just waiting for the guys to get done. And we'll actually make our way back to the resort that we're at. And take the bike back home. So I'm actually installing the rack for the top box for the NMax today. There it is, the mount is actually installed now, and then I'm going to grab the box and then continue the install of it. Patch. I guess we have our small dog who's decided to say hello. This is Patch, Major Patch actually. The initial owner named him Major, and then we just added Patch because of patches. Major Patch it is, that's his name. So it is, the mount is for the top box has been installed, and then we're gonna go ahead and try to put this on the top of it and see if it fits. It should go as simple as just placing the top box here, lining the grooves underneath, then pushing it forward. And then simply locking, using this mechanism and locking it in place. There it is. All that we need right now is to install the aesthetics. There's, as I said earlier, there's actually two choice of stickers that we could put on this box. It's either white reflector or a black one. I think I'm just gonna go for the black one, just to make it all nice and even in terms of color. And yeah, there's also the back seat that goes here. Actually, let's just do that right now. So yeah, there's actually a 3M tape at the back of it, and basically just remove the film here. And this part goes on top over here. Then let's go ahead and install black sticker. Gotta make sure that the surface you're sticking your sticker on is fairly clean. In this case, the box is fairly new, so I'm not gonna be It does come with a set of wipes, but in this case I won't bother with it for now because it is clean. There we go. Overall, the box is installed, and I'd have to say it was a successful install, and everything is functional. So if we unlock it this side, I'm able to take the box out, like so, and then want to put it back, just simply push this in and lock it in place, and it's nice and solid. We could actually fully lock the box so no one steals it. There's a lock right here, and then there's a second lock over here where you could actually store your stuff. So overall, the Niwra top box is now installed on the NMax. Alright guys, I think we're going to conclude this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, goodbye.